Hi there, this is Huskins, your Forex mentor. I'd like to talk to you straight from the heart about my immensely successful program called Huge Profits Through Economic Indicator Trading. You already know by now how powerful of a tool news is. When new news is released in the market, such as CPI, interest rate announcements, the job numbers, the markets move, and they move consistently. A lot of folks have tried to capture these movements by trading the spike. But there's one problem with spike trading. No broker fills you consistently. Now, this spike trading used to work like a charm a few years ago, but it kind of died in 2007, 2008. I don't know of any broker which consistently allows fills on the spike. So is there another way of trading the news? Well, that's exactly what my program Trading Economic Indicators tries to capture. Now, I look at trading the market sentiment perhaps before the news, just like we had a recent non-farm payroll announcement wherein I had suggested that we might want to buy the USD JPY at the European Open and hold it till the about 15-20 minutes before the non-farm payroll. That was based on the market taking in or going into a particular direction based on the sentiment released through the other jobs numbers from USA. And that turned out to be a wonderful trade. Or for instance, let's take this retail sales trade from Australia, wherein after the news was released, a few hours after that, during European Open time, I had suggested that we sell the Aussie US dollar and go at a profit of 45 pips. So all of that was easy entries. It's not something you trade on the spike, and these kind of trades tend to have between a 70 to 80% winning rate. So that's something which I'd like to share with you, that trading economic indicators is actually a profitable mechanism to trade the forex market. But this is not a signal service. I do not tell you buy here or sell there. That's not what my job is, because that's each and every person, each and every one of us has different dynamics to trade. What I do is I show you the bigger picture on how to actually go about trading, how I think. For instance, what I look at is I give you a big picture template which looks at the average true range and how you'd implement the average true range to set your stops and set your targets. And now you'd get a trade plan. So you overlay your trade plan on the big picture average true range to get your stops and your targets. And what I do is I follow up each and every trade plan, winner or loser, by the way it was supposed to be traded, and I document that in my results section so that you can have a quick glance of the correct way of trading that particular news event. Now, all in all, there are about 20 to 30 news events which I potentially look at trading per month, and in all I get about 15 trades, out of which close to about 70% turn out to be winners. What I'd like to do is I'd like you to take me on a test drive. You come in at $7, you test this for a 14-day period. For a 2-week period, you test it, and then you can join in for the discounted price, which is over 30% off, on the normal yearly price. Now, this yearly price of $1,000, I've kept it at a bare minimum in compared to other coaching packages available out there. Now, don't consider this to be a signal service, just like the way I said. Think of this as a coaching package wherein you would be interacting with me on perhaps a weekly basis through a webinar, and you would be interacting me in case you choose to, using the live chat feature or the Skype feature, and you could perhaps do that while a trade is actually going on, and I'll be able to help you understand exactly what's happening in the market. So now you owe it to yourself to at least test drive the service and see whether this is right for you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.